Alright, in this video we're going to look into a continuation of the intervals as subsets of R. In this video we're going to specifically look into open interval. Last video we looked into closed interval. Here we're going to look into open interval. What is open interval? Alright, so here we've got a simple explanation for open interval just like closed interval. We've got if A and B are two real numbers such that A less than B, then the set of all real numbers x satisfying x greater than A and less than B is called an open interval and is denoted by a comma b in between smaller brackets, or like this. Well, you just invert those square brackets, like, for closed interval it was like closed, here you like open it up. So that's the only difference. So thus a comma b equals x belongs to real numbers such that x is greater than a and less than b. The only difference between the closed interval and open interval is that x is strictly greater than a and less than b. Okay, it's not equal to A or equal to B. That's the only difference. And then the way it is written, A comma B is written in between smaller brackets. That's all is the difference. So let's quickly look into an example that's going to help us understand more of open interval. Alright, here we are with an example. For example, open small bracket 1 comma 2 close small bracket equals to x belongs to R such that x is greater than 1 and less than 2. The most important thing to notice here is that x is not equal to 1 and not equal to 2. It is strictly greater than 1 or less than 2. Now that x, whatever is greater than 1 and less than 2, forms the set of all real numbers lying between 1 and 2 excluding the endpoints 1 and 2. That's what that x not being equal to 1 and 2 denotes. Alright, so this is an infinite subset of R, definitely, because x greater than 1, it can be 1.00001, so that can also be a real number, or 1.1, 1.201, and so on. It's just limitless, it's infinite. So that is what it is. So in a very short way, if you want to identify an open interval, as soon as you see this, you have to understand that, okay, fine. So this means that 1 comma 2 in between two small brackets means there exists x in between 1 and 2 such that x is greater than 1 and less than 2, and that it is an infinite subset of the real number. So that is what is an open interval. Alright. So, and another important point, if you notice, here it says between 1 and 2 excluding the endpoints. In the closed interval it was including the endpoints. In this it is excluding the endpoints. So that's another subtle difference between closed interval and open interval. That ends this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with another intervals as subset of R, which is semi-open or semi-closed interval. Something in between closed interval and open interval. So I'll see you with that topic in the next video.